Good morning, good evening, good night to wherever watching this transmission. It is I, Mike Martins. Welcome to a very, very special edition of Can't Read Market Talk Mornings. Thanks for joining me, guys. Let me grab my water here. Here we go. What is happening in the markets, guys? Before we check that out, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Tonight is Trends in the Housing Market open line, so if you guys want to call in and go from there and check out the channel. It's really cool. I'm also on the Dirty, guys. Don't forget to check me out on the Dirty. I'll leave a link below at the end. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And before we kick off anything, let's look at the markets and see where they're sitting at right now. The S&P, the TSX is up 70 points today, sitting at 16,254. Up 0.44 percentage points. The S&P 500, 2,884. The Dow is up 196 points, basically reclaiming the loss it had yesterday. And the Canadian to the U.S. dollar is still in the 75-cent mark, fighting to stay above 70. Whoa, it just dropped again. Fighting to stay above 75 cents. Crude oil up 83 cents at 55.76 a barrel. Bitcoin is at 13,552, roughly hovering around the 10,000 US dollar mark. And then we got the gold future sitting at 1,546. Gold is down $4.90 today, which is not too much. You're always going to get retractions in the market, guys. Don't forget, as you retract it, and then it goes back, and then it retracts, and it goes back. Nobody panic, okay? We got the Russell 2000, which is the most important. This is a really important market to watch because it's all the big cap stocks, the big multi-billion-dollar companies, and when these companies lose, the market really takes a hit. So keep an eye on this market here, guys. Russell 2000 up 18.74 points. The Russell 2000, if the market continues to take falls, that it's been these massive gap losses, be careful, guys, because what's going to happen is if this thing goes down to 1,200, the Russell 2000, you're going to see huge sell-offs on the big companies. 10-year bond sitting at 1.461. We're looking to see if this goes to negative interest rates in the next 3 to 5 quarters. With them lowering interest rates, the bond market's going to look like crap. And what's going to happen? People are going to start looking at other things like gold and silver and maybe even cryptocurrency. NASDAQ sitting at 7,851.37, up 24.42. Volatility is down 19.78. And the FTSE, the FTSE, is kind of all over the place, but sitting at 7,114. And if you see a Brexit exit and the UK needs to pay for, or the England or the UK needs to pay for Brexit exit, what's going to happen? Here's the deal, guys. They're going to pay exit fees, and I see the FTSE going down to 6,000 points. And, yeah, I can't get over the 10-year bond, guys, at 1.4%. It is very interesting to see if the bond market goes to zero. So what is happening? Let's read some of the top headlines here on Yahoo Finance. Johnson's Parliament suspension sparks backlash. Brexit updates follow. Brexit, sign up for the Brexit Bulletin and tell us your Brexit story. Nobody cares. I mean, everyone's trying to find ways to if you're in or out, you're out or in. I think honestly, the European Union should have not been formed. European Union countries should have stayed as they were. Even Italy should have stayed as it was. Italy unified after World War II and became the Republic of Italy. It was all separate countries. I think they would have been more happier. Same thing with what was it? Other countries in Europe that were just unified, and they should have just been left alone and let them progress on their own. But no, we created the United Nations or the Allies or whatever you want to call them, and start telling people how to live their lives. Okay, here we go. Whoa, Mr. E. Always interesting times. Sending me 10 Hong Kong dollars. Mr. E, are you okay, buddy? YouTube censoring super chats, Warzone battle in China, all banned terms as much more. Well, do you want to call me, Mr. E? Are you? Let me call him. Let's see if he picks up. Guys, Mr. E is in downtown Detroit. Downtown Hong Kong. He's not picking up. Here he goes.
whom you're trying to reach.
Okay, he's not picking up. He's not picking up. Guys, he is okay. Guys, I got a $5 donation. Give us the Martins. Woo! Woo! Morning. Can't read morning talk. You're watching, guys, this morning. Mike, you're talking about silver mines. Which ones attract your attention? I make my own decisions. I was wondering because you showed consistency in your beliefs and doings. Woo! Yeah, guys, thank you for the super chat. Well, no, guys, I mean, I have them up right here. Some of the silver mines I'm looking at, they're all junior silver mines, and where do they go here? Okay, guys, send me a stock in the chat you guys want to look at this morning. Gold or silver, I don't care. Send me a stock. I'll show you one I'm looking at. One I'm in right now. Hold on, where is it? Is it? I'm just trying to think here. First Majestic all the way. Yeah, everyone's talking First Majestic. Everyone's talking about First Majestic Silver Corp. It's doing really well. It is down right now, so wait till see if it goes back to about 1050 and see if you could buy back in. Remember, do not take my advice, guys. I can't read. So, First Majestic for sure. Strong company. It's got very little to no debt. The 52-week range is 1157, so it's already hit its high a few days ago. I remember I saw it with my own eyes. First Majestic is a little bit too. It's somewhat big for me. I like more movement, so I like to jump on the higher risk stuff. But First Majestic, I might pick up in a few days. I want to see if it goes down to 1050, maybe 1050, and give it a good look. NUGT says piston there. Okay, NUGT. Dixtron Daily Gold Miners Index Bull 3 times shares down 47 cents. It is trading on the NYSE, and this is the Nasdaq real-time price. They are up. Are they offering? Are they offering a dividend? No expense ratio. I'm not seeing any dividends. Year-to-date return. No. But they are at their high, guys. So watch out for stocks like this. Okay, pay attention. Look at this stock here. They're already pretty much the 52 range, but what's the cap on this damn thing? It's trading a lot, and I'm not seeing anything here. Where's the? I don't want to open any more pages here. I wanna see how big. What's the chart historical data profile? Here we go. Let's go to holdings. I use it. I use my bank for this. When I'm looking for this kind of stuff, I usually go for my bank, through my bank, and find out what the cap is here. If it's in the billions of dollars, don't invest in companies that are already in the billions. Okay, maybe a couple of million. I have look at NUGT price 2011. Okay, yeah, but guys, it's like looking at oil prices from 2011. It doesn't. Okay, NUGT, okay? NUGT. Okay, we're here. Let's go from 2011, okay? Oh, I see where you're going here. Oh, wow. It's like $6,000. And it's all the way down to 43. Wow. So this is a big, 16,000 bucks. Holy smokes, that was way back in the day. So that's a good one. Thanks for showing us that. I'm gonna actually save this to my watch list. I'm gonna save this one to my watch list later. I'm unsigned out here, but I'm gonna save this one to my watch list and keep a look at it. But this is a big cap stock, guys. Big cap stock, but there is a lot of potential for it to move. But it's like looking at Baytex, right? This is an oil company I was in, right? Baytex, $1.24, up 8 cents today. But if you look at it when it was at 70 bucks, 50, 60 bucks in 2013, right? So in 2012, right? So you got to keep an eye on those things. Yes, does it have did the company now they're all floating in debt, these companies. So they're selling oil at a loss right now as we speak. So we got to be careful, especially treading towards oil companies, guys. Be very careful treading towards oil companies. Please. So yeah, thanks for that tip there. So this is one of the oil companies I was at. I think I had it. What was the 52-week range? I think I bought it I think at $1.90, and I sold it back for $3.30. So 3.25, I think it was. I kind of was very scared of this company to stay with it. You know what I'm saying? Right? Another one to look at is Crescent Point. Crescent Point, oh my god, I can't spell. Crescent Point is another one. Oh god. CPG? Is it CPG? Here we go, Crescent Point. So it's at $3.15. It's up a little bit today. So if you look at the max here, thing was sitting at 60, 70 bucks a share. But right now, the energy sector, I think, is falling apart right now. Energy sector is not doing well right now, and I think with them flooding the market with a ton of oil right now, in the U.S. looking to flood the market. All right, let's look at where's crude oil. Where is silver? Do we got silver here? Yeah, silver sitting at 18.28, guys, right now, up 13 cents. Woo! Silver's breaking records as we speak. And guys, I am losing this connection. It's back up. Hold on. So I am back up, guys. I'm temporarily going off and on. I'm not sure. Okay, hope I helped you make money. Yes, I'm definitely putting that on my watch list, and definitely looking at that for a future purchase in the next week or two. But look at this, guys. Silver. Glory, glory, Transylvania. Glory, glory, Transylvania. Silver is going up. Silver is going to reach all new... Look at it, but it's been so plateau over the last year. And look at it in the... I love looking at the 5-year, and I looking at the... Where's the... Oh, I'm not getting the max. I wanted to get the max of the huge uptick back in 2014. 2013, 2014, when silver went nuts. Okay, 18.27 right now, up 12 cents, so not doing too bad. So what else we got? Russell 2000 looking like it's going strong, so you're not going to see anyone complain for the big cap stocks. Gold is down $5.30, but it's over 1,500. Remember, guys, at the 2 months ago, I was predicting gold 1,500 by Christmas. It's already pushing towards 1,600 by Christmas. So, yeah. Look at VIX, baby. VIX is going down, so a lot of eyes on the market right now for VIX. You're going to see a lot of people dumping into VIX. Probably before markets end, VIX might jump up tomorrow back to $21, $22, $23, $24. Our Armco IPO, not too sure. Let's find out. Let's see if it made any of the headlines here. All right, where were we? Oops. Okay. Let's see what we got for news here. Let's see what they're talking about here. Energy rally fuels advance in U.S. equities. Markets wrap. U.S. stocks extended their gains and lately trading as investors awaited new developments, increasingly the unexpected Sino-American trade war. Oh, man. Another trade war. Democrats, 5-star back Cant to lead the new government. Italy update. So Italy right now is in the brink of unexpected future is what is happening. Sorry, guys. Banks help drive U.S. stocks broadly higher after wobbly start. Okay, so here it is, guys. This is why oil's up right now. What's going on? Banks and energy companies helped power U.S. stocks broadly higher in midday trading Wednesday as the market clawed back some of its losses from a day earlier. So it's clawed back. I told you they're going to find ways. Just like the housing market. They always want to find ways to get stuff in the market or throw whatever they have in their toolbox, whether it's lowering rates, quantitative easing, printing off money, whatever they want to do. Woo! Financial sector accounted for much of the rally. Yeah, of course. NASDAQ, which is heavily weighted with technology stocks, we know that. It's the... Oh, God. Sorry, guys. I just woke up. Uncertainty over the U.S.-China trade conflict and impact to corporate profits has weighed on the market this month. The S&P 500 on track for its second monthly drop this year. That's the key right there. Aramco. What is happening with Aramco? National. It's not giving any. Where's the news? Come on, man. We want some news here. No news on that company. I'm not seeing anything. I'm going to find it through Google. Hold on a sec. See if I can find it here. Expert tips. How to survive work with broken heart. Nobody cares. This is where online advertising is going. Nobody cares. Aldi's sold out robotic vacuum cleaner and mop is back. Okay, that's great. Unequal pay. 6 myths about gender pay gap busted. Nobody cares. Ex-Google engineer charged with stealing trade secrets and taking them to Uber. Ooh. Former Google employee alleged stole 14,000 documents that could be facing a prison sentence. Throw him in jail! Throw away the K! You steal, you go to prison! 8 shares you missed. No, it's all propped. Propped. What do I have here? Okay, guys, there's some of the ones I have here, okay? Where are my stocks? I know I have some stocks here. Oh, these are the ones I'm looking up. I'm gonna bust out my portfolio one day and show you guys some of the stuff I'm looking at for small junior miners. Okay, pound Brexit woes give boost to London's blue chip shares. Yeah, that's why it's having a tough time staying above green. Analysts, bold predictions for 2019. What's going on here, guys? Some bold predictions for 2019. This bioelectric breakthrough could disrupt the $300 billion diabetes market. Yeah, good luck with that if they even allow you to create something that's going to actually cure the some massive disease that's been making a lot of money for the pharmaceutical companies. All right, what's going on, guys? What's going on? Am I live? Am I still live here? Because sometimes I go offline for no reason. Come on, guys, give me some racket there in the fluctuating and uncertainty value of gold and silver will be a part of the total picture of the economic confusion that grips the world, says Pashka. Then Pashka says silver will also become a very precious metal and price will go wild. Yeah, we already this is what's been going on, guys. We know. Let's see if we can get Evan on the phone. I really need to talk to Evan. He's in Hong Kong on the streets to give us a little bit of what's going on there.
Whom you're trying.
He's not answering. We're trying to get a hold of Evan. He sent me 10 Hong Kong dollars on a super chat there. And, yeah, unfortunately, we're not getting a hold of him. Well, let's look at the Hong Kong markets. Right now, it's down 48.59, sitting at 25,651. Let's look at the last 3 months since this, yeah. So, here it is, guys. This is your last 3 months in Hong Kong. And this is the last 3 months of... Yeah, so here it goes, guys. You can see what's happening right now in Hong Kong. And a lot of people shorting Hong Kong companies right now. A lot of people shorting. Let's put a line here. I don't need candles. There it is. There it is, guys. Now let me expand that for you guys here. There it is in Hong Kong right now. So a lot of people shorting Hong Kong companies. That's it right there. Not looking good at all, guys. This is the last 3 months. So after the huge disruption of the Chinese, it's sad, but very true. Very disappointing. And this is the SSE index 180 there. And this is in the Shanghai Stock Exchange. No data available. All right, let's move on. This is the Mumbai SEX30 is down 189.43 points in India right now. It did have a good takeoff. Let's go for the 3 months here in India. Things are not looking swell in India either. So here it is. Let's get a line going on here, guys. Here it is. That's what's happening in India, guys. Last 3 months. Trying to resuscitate by forcing people to open bank accounts so people, people basically, all right. You know what I'm saying, guys. You know where I'm going with this, right? People basically having to open bank accounts so all the off-grid cash goes into the system. Because once you remove your money, it goes off-grid, guys. So be careful with that. They're going to start making it basically banning the $100 bill, and you have to turn on your $100 bills in Canada, for example. Then the 50. Oh, this is going to stop money laundering and drug trafficking, so you just carry 5s and 10s around. It's going to happen. It happened in India, and right here they tried doing it, and now the markets are starting to dip. You can see they're looking for ways to prop their markets as much as possible. BNN Bloomberg, what is going on, guys? Okay, HSBC links deal to sell Lord and Taylor LE tote for 100 US million. So this is, I think this is a retail high-end fashion clothing store. Under the deal, HBC will receive $99.5 million in cash when the deal closes, of secured promissory note for $33.2 million payable cash after 2 years. So you see a lot. Wow. Okay, company news. Bank tops estimates. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to markets right now. There we go. Let's go some market talks here. Celt Exploration up right now. These are the top TSX gainers. You got Celt Exploration lot. All energy right now. It's all energy. All energy sectors up right now today. Usually when energy sector goes up, gold and silver drops. That's usually the case. Let's find out right here. Update selling Alaska assets. Ooh. British Petroleum selling. Oh my god. Please don't be selling it to China. Please don't sell this crap to China. Please.
Currently trading today, we are watching the price of WTI move higher to the tune of 2%. We're also seeing some nice rebound in the price of gasoline, as well as nat gas up by 3%. We will talk about that in just a few moments from now. Let's also take a quick look here at where the price of Western Canadian Select is currently trading today, and we are also seeing a nice move higher, up by 2%. So following the price of WTI higher. We also, of course, always want to keep our eye on the discount of that grade of oil versus West Texas Intermediate, and you're seeing essentially unchanged today, but down by about 58% over the past year. Meanwhile, in oil and energy news, BP is closing a major chapter in its corporate history after more than 60 years of operating in Alaska.
This is the big one, guys. This girl's really hot, too. Let me zoom in here.
It is agreeing to sell its assets in the state to privately owned Hillcorp Energy for $5.6 billion U.S. The deal includes its operations in the oil-rich Prudhoe Bay. The move is part of BP's goal of raising $10 billion over the next 2 years to bolster its balance sheet. We're also looking.
All oil companies are in the red right now. But who is this guy? Check for me and put in the comment section. Who is this Hillbrad company? Who are these guys? Are they based out of? Are they American? Or like who are these guys?
Where some of the metals are currently trading today, and quick look here. Bit of a risk on day, perhaps putting a little bit of downward pressure on the gold futures. We are seeing, however, silver futures up nicely. Do keep in mind, though, that some people would believe that there's a bit of a catch-up trade to take place in silver versus gold. And copper essentially unchanged, but slightly higher. Gold has not only been attracting investors recently, it has also been attracting scammers. Reuters is reporting that gold bars branded with fake logos of major refineries are increasingly entering the market. It is being reported that these fake branded gold.
Yes, remember that happened, guys, when Germany was asking for its gold back. So what happened was Germany was asking for its gold back, and the U.S. was sending them back tungsten steel in the middle of some bars or something. I don't know what happened with that. That was back in 2010.
Are difficult to detect and have been found in the vaults of major investment banks, including.
Yes, there's a lot of banks with a lot of tungsten steel in their gold, okay?
JP Morgan Chase. And a U.S. appeals court is reviving lawsuits against major American investment banks and mining companies accused of engaging in antitrust activities with aluminum purchases. The lawsuits claim companies including Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Glencore conspired to drive up aluminum prices by reducing supply. The purchasers allege that it resulted in order processing delays and higher storage and manufacturing costs.
Yeah.
Quick look here as well at how the Bloomberg Dollar Index is currently trading, mildly to the upside today. And we're also looking at how some of Canada's cannabis growers are currently trading as well. These stocks tend to be very volatile. We're seeing that a little bit today as well.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Marijuana movers, goodbye. Canopy growth down 30. I think I sold my Canopy growth at I think 33, like not even a year ago. I sold it. A year and a half actually ago. Horizons Marijuana ETF. There's an ETF for marijuana too. Go figure.
With a bit of
There is. I knew there was. I just didn't. Aurora Cannabis. I remember buying it at $3, selling it for a healthy gain.
This picture, Aurora as well as Canopy to the downside, but the overall ETF, the Horizons Marijuana ETF, showing slight positive momentum today, up by 0.79%. And today is the deadline for the winners of Ontario's marijuana retail lot.
Wow, that girl's cute. Anyways, let's go back here. So that's what's happening right now. Market's on an uptick, and with rate cuts looming in the U.S. and it's going to be followed obviously by Australia. It's going to be followed by it's going to be followed by Canada, and it's going to be followed by everything else. And yeah, that's what's going to happen, guys. You guys know what's going to happen, right? Arbitration. Someone's asking, oh crap, isn't that arbitration? Says Tay. Layla says, laugh out loud. He said he had to jet Mike, so that's Mr. E. Mike, do you hold physical gold and silver? Of course. I'll probably do a show. Maybe when I do Mike in the Night, we'll talk about physical gold and silver. I'll show you some of the silver bars, 1 ounce, 5 and 10 ounce bars. Really nice bars to have. I don't collect like collector stuff, like collector coins and all that, because in a time of need or desperation, people will only pay 1 or 2% above spot gold for rare coins. They don't care. When people are starving and dying, people don't care about who minted it and who's on the cover of the coin, right? All right, guys, what is going on? It's 10:30. I'm going to have to open my shop in half an hour, guys, so I'm going to be wrapping up today's show really, really early. I know I jump out there and I read and I stumble over my words. I'm very excited about this because we got a lot going on, guys. We have a lot going on in the markets, and what is happening in the housing, guys, don't forget to join me in Trends in the Housing Market. Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal see delinquencies on large mortgages rise. So what's happening is people are going delinquent on mortgages. We're going to cover this and other housing stories from Australia, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America, and the UK, and all those other places. I think I mentioned that, but that's okay. And New Zealand, we'll be covering it tonight on Trends in the Housing Market, tonight at 7 p.m. Wednesday, Western Seaboard time. Guys, don't forget to join me tonight for that. I keep losing connection here. I'm not sure why. I'm the only one in the house here, so there should be no reason why I'm losing my connection here. So DEU blinker. So every time I come on, guys, I want you guys to give me a ticker. Like today, I was given a ticker there today by Mr. Piston guy here. And let me see where he is. NUGT was the stock we were looking at. NUGT. Here it is, guys. A Direxion Daily Gold Miners Bull 3 times ETF. This looks pretty good when you look at the historical data. The stock was at $12,000? $13,000? Holy crap. So 52-week range from $10.56. Oh my god, if you pick this up at $10. Oh my god, if you pick this thing up at $10, oh my god. Yeah, where were you, Piston guy? SR20 DET Piston. Where were you, Piston? Yep, propping up the markets. Yep, Tay in the comments says, propping up the markets is falling fast. They're trying everything. Now the banks are kind of helping out the energy sector a bit. Of course, you're going to see the energy sector. Then Trump is going to tweet something tomorrow and bring everything back down. And you're going to see gold and silver spike. Woo! Canadian internet seems to be reliable, as Australian internet is like laugh out loud, ha ha ha. I heard Germany, like from I think the Raven said that Germany's got the one of the worst internets on the planet, and you would think that they were far out there when it comes to fiber optics and stuff. All right, where's Silver? Where's Silver? Oh my god, I can't stop yawning, guys. I gotta go put my store. This mic is garbage. I bought this for $2 at Walmart. I got a nice Yeti blue mic coming in, a really nice one. So, because this is not in stereo, guys, you're not listening to Mike Martin's in stereo anymore here. Man, it's called. Okay, whoa. Do Blinker says, could it be that low because the ore grade was off, less metals than expected? Yes, that could be definitely it. Because what they're doing is they need to start counting what we have above ground as opposed to derivatives and IOUs and certificates. They need to start to really look at what's physically there, right? And I think give it another 3 months with China buying up. Guys, go to my channel and watch this video. This was sent to me by Shanghai Larry. Watch this video, guys. Watch. It's down here. It's all the way down here. Oh, right here. Chinese gold buying frenzy. Guys, you need to watch this because Chinese are paying 30% over spot gold, and gold and bullion and silver dealers and all those guys in China, in Shanghai, and even small provinces and small cities are closing early because they're sold out of product. They're sold out of gold and silver. So, yeah, people are saying, get the mic, Mike. Yeah, it's on its way. It should be arriving today or tomorrow. I'll have it for Mike in the night. So, guys, please watch this. So, Shanghai Larry sent me some information, and it's really important. It's got 51 comments on it. Chinese paying 30% over spot. It is a buying frenzy for precious metals. I'll leave a link in there for that. And if you guys get some time and you want something entertaining to watch, go to the Dirty. I'm on the Dirty, and I just set a world record for the Dirty. I just set a world record for the Dirty. You type in my name, Mike Martins. Guys, you have no idea. I set a record the other day for having the most comments on a video. Mike is a fat ball, slime, liar, fraud, fake. And yeah, right here. Just all these people, Mike the merit molester, fat Mike Martins, Y2K Truckers back here. He's been harassing me for years since I opened my business in town. Guys, please. Oops, I don't know what I opened, but I opened some stupid advertising here. Get over there, guys, in comments. I got $5 from Pashka. Woo! That's gonna buy me coffee today. Thank you, Pashka. Thank you, everybody. Piston Guy for $5. Thank you, everybody, for sending me stuff on. Don't forget to get on the Dirty, guys. Get in there. I already hit a record for 72 comments. No one's got that. Everyone has 3-4 comments on their thing. Toronto condo made me want to puke. Yeah, Cesbeta, send me the link to that, what you're talking about the Toronto condos. I'd like to know, because tonight is Trends in the Housing Market, guys. We'll be talking about housing all over the place. And guys, if you want to support me and get on Patreon, guys. I am posting on Patreon, and when I have 800 Patreon members or 600 Patreon members, I shall start doing one stream a month on there, and then growing it as we go. 14 Patreon members, guys. You could join me for coffee. Let me see here, so you guys can see the different levels of Patreon I got here. All right, so I do have supporters right now. I want to thank them for basically supporting this transmission. Here it is, guys. Right here. You could be a buy me coffee for $1 a month. Copra Gamies, that's a captain, $5 a month. If you want to be a consigliere, $10 a month. And if it's basically to join the family. Underboss, $25 a month. Only 19 positions left if you want to be an underboss. I want to thank everyone that's been supporting me on this too. This is very big because right now with the cutbacks on YouTube, they just don't want people talking for some bizarro reason. Okay, now I'm leaving, guys. I don't care because now we're talking about flat Earth in the comment section. I'll see you guys at the shop. I'll be at the shop in a few minutes, and I'm gonna drop off some mail. Thanks for watching, guys. Big hug, and we'll be seeing each other this evening for trends in the housing market. God bless. We'll see if we could get Evan on the show to tell us what's going on the streets there in Hong Kong. Thank you so much, flat Earthers. Just ruined the show today. Bye.